What I wish I knew about cooking at 10 instead of 20. You can learn it all right here. Are you ready to spice up your cooking game? Subscribe now and join our foodie family. Every day we drop mouth-watering recipes that are easy, elegant, and oh so delicious. Hit that like button if you love food. Comment below with your favorite dish. We want to hear from you, and don't forget to share the love with your friends and family. Ring that notification bell so you never miss a tasty tutorial. Thanks for joining us at the Culinary Recipe Creations channel. Stay with us, sit back, and be amazed. Your one-stop recipe channel is here to entertain and inspire you with the most delicious recipes on earth. Enjoy our videos and happy cooking.
Hello food lovers! Tonight we're cooking a special dinner. We'll have juicy steak, flavorful chicken, and delicate fish. This meal is perfect for a family dinner or a party with friends. Get ready for a fun cooking adventure. We'll explore different ways to cook each protein. You'll learn about grilling, pan-searing, and baking. With these simple techniques, you'll impress your guests. Are you ready? Let's start cooking. The first step in any great meal is choosing our ingredients. This is where the magic begins, and the foundation of our dish is set. Let's start with the steak. Steak is a versatile and beloved protein that can be prepared in numerous ways, from grilling to pan-searing. For a tender and flavorful steak, look for ribeye or New York strip. These cuts are known for their rich taste and succulent texture. These cuts have good marbling, which makes them juicy. Marbling refers to the streaks of fat within the meat, which melt during cooking, adding flavor and tenderness. Next, let's pick our chicken. Chicken is a staple in many households due to its versatility and ease of cooking. Chicken breasts are a classic choice. They are lean, making them a healthier option, and they cook quickly, perfect for weeknight dinners. They are lean and cook quickly. However, because they are low in fat, they can dry out if overcooked, so it's important to monitor them closely. You can also use chicken thighs, which are more flavorful. Thighs have a higher fat content, which keeps them moist and adds depth to their taste. Finally, let's choose our fish. Fish is a fantastic source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids, making it a healthy addition to any diet. Salmon is a popular option because it's healthy and delicious. Its rich, buttery flavor pairs well with a variety of seasonings and cooking methods. It has a rich flavor that goes well with many seasonings. Whether you prefer it grilled, baked, or pan-seared, salmon is always a crowd pleaser. Another good choice is cod, a mild-flavored fish that's easy to cook. Cod's delicate taste makes it a great canvas for bold flavors and spices. Now that we've chosen our proteins, let's move on to the fun part, marinating and seasoning. This is where we can get creative and infuse our dishes with unique flavors and aromas. Marinades and seasonings add so much flavor to our dishes. They are the secret to transforming a simple piece of meat or fish into a culinary masterpiece. The right combination of ingredients can elevate the taste, texture, and aroma, making every bite a delightful experience. For steak, I love a simple marinade of olive oil, garlic, and rosemary. This classic combination not only tenderizes the meat, but also infuses it with a rich, savory flavor. The olive oil helps to keep the steak moist, while the garlic and rosemary add depth and complexity to the taste. It adds a wonderful aroma and taste to the meat. As the steak sizzles on the grill, the garlic and rosemary release their fragrant oils, creating a mouth-watering scent that fills the air. The result is a perfectly cooked steak with a crispy exterior and a juicy, flavorful interior. For chicken, you can use a citrusy marinade with lemon juice, herbs, and a touch of honey. The acidity of the lemon juice helps to break down the proteins in the chicken, making it incredibly tender. The herbs add a fresh, aromatic quality, while the honey provides a subtle sweetness that balances the flavors. This will make the chicken tender and flavorful. Fish loves bright flavors. The combination of lemon and herbs creates a vibrant, zesty taste that pairs perfectly with the natural flavor of the chicken. As the chicken grills, the marinade caramelizes, creating a deliciously sticky glaze that enhances the overall taste. Try a marinade with ginger, garlic, and soy sauce. This trio of ingredients is a staple in Asian cuisine and works wonderfully with fish. The ginger adds a spicy, warming note, while the garlic provides a robust, savory flavor. The soy sauce brings a salty, umami richness that ties everything together. It will give your fish a delicious Asian-inspired taste. As the fish cooks, the marinade seeps into the flesh, infusing it with a complex blend of flavors. The result is a dish that is both light and flavorful, with a perfect balance of sweet, salty, and spicy notes. Remember to season your proteins with salt and pepper before cooking. These basic seasonings are essential for enhancing the natural flavors of the meat. A good sprinkle of salt and pepper can make a world of difference, bringing out the best in your dish. You can also add other spices like paprika, cumin, or chili powder for extra flavor. These spices add a unique twist to your dishes, providing a burst of color and a kick of heat. Experiment with different combinations to find your perfect flavor profile. Happy cooking! Grilling is a great way to cook steak, chicken, and fish. The process of grilling not only cooks the food but also infuses it with a unique smoky flavor that is hard to replicate with other cooking methods. It gives them a smoky flavor and beautiful grill marks. These marks are not just for show. They indicate that the food has been cooked to perfection, with a nice sear on the outside while retaining its juiciness inside. Before you start grilling, make sure your grill is clean and hot. A clean grill ensures that your food won't stick, and preheating the grill helps in achieving those perfect grill marks. For steak, grill for a few minutes per side, depending on the thickness and desired doneness. A thicker steak will require more time, while a thinner cut will cook faster. You want a nice sear on the outside and a juicy inside. The sear locks in the flavors and juices, making each bite a delightful experience. Chicken takes a bit longer to grill. It's important to ensure that chicken is cooked thoroughly to avoid any health risks. Cook it over medium heat until it's cooked through. Medium heat allows the chicken to cook evenly without burning the outside. Remember to flip it occasionally to ensure even cooking. Flipping the chicken helps in achieving an even cook and prevents one side from getting too charred. Fish is delicate, so it's best to grill it on a piece of foil or in a grill basket. This method protects the fish from falling apart and makes it easier to handle. This will prevent it from sticking to the grill. Sticking can ruin the presentation and make it difficult to serve. Grilling is all about experimenting with different flavors and techniques, from various marinades to unique rubs. Each combination can bring out different aspects of the meat or fish, making the experience exciting and diverse. So don't be afraid to try new things. Whether it's a new spice blend or a different type of wood for smoking, the possibilities are endless. Grilling is an art that allows for creativity and personal expression, so embrace the process and enjoy the delicious results. Pan searing is another fantastic way to cook steak, chicken, and fish. It's quick, easy, and creates a beautiful crust on your protein. Heat a little oil in a pan over medium-high heat. Once the pan is hot, add your steak, chicken, or fish. Make sure not to overcrowd the pan. Sear for a few minutes on each side until golden brown and cooked through. The key is to get a nice crust without overcooking the inside. You can finish cooking your protein in the oven if needed, especially if it's thicker. Pan searing is a versatile technique that always delivers delicious results. Baking is a great option if you prefer a hands-off cooking method. It's perfect for busy weeknights or when you want to minimize cleanup. Preheat your oven to the correct temperature for your protein. Place your steak, chicken, or fish in a baking dish. Add some vegetables to the baking dish for a complete meal. Bake until the protein is cooked through and the vegetables are tender. Baking is a simple yet effective way to cook delicious and healthy meals. It's perfect for beginners and experienced cooks alike. Here are a few extra tips to help you cook like a pro. First, always let your meat rest for a few minutes after cooking. This allows the juices to redistribute, resulting in a more tender and flavorful meal. Second, invest in a meat thermometer to ensure your proteins are cooked to the right temperature. This is especially important for chicken and fish to avoid any foodborne illnesses. Don't be afraid to experiment with different herbs, spices, and marinades. Cooking is all about having fun and trying new things, and remember, practice makes perfect. Now that our delicious meal is ready, let's talk about presentation. The way you present your food can make it even more appetizing. Choose serving plates that complement your meal. White plates provide a clean backdrop that makes your food stand out. You can also use colorful plates for a more playful look. Garnish your plates with fresh herbs or a sprinkle of pepper for a touch of elegance. Think about the colors and textures on your plate. Create a visually appealing arrangement that will impress your guests. No meal is complete without delicious sides. For our steak, chicken, and fish extravaganza, let's choose sides that complement our proteins. Roasted vegetables are always a great choice. They are easy to make and add a healthy touch to your meal. Mashed potatoes are a classic comfort food that pairs well with any of our proteins. For a lighter option, try a fresh salad with a tangy vinaigrette. The key is to choose sides that balance the flavors of your main courses. Let's not forget about drinks. The right beverages can enhance the flavors of your meal and create a festive atmosphere. For a refreshing option, serve iced tea or lemonade. If you prefer something stronger, a crisp white wine or a light beer would pair well with our meal. For a special occasion, consider a sparkling wine or champagne. Remember to have water on hand to keep your guests hydrated. Cooking is about more than just food. It's about creating memories with the people we love. Gather your family and friends around the table and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Share stories, laughter, and good food. These are the moments that make life special. So put on your apron, get cooking, and create some unforgettable memories.
This is why you need to hit subscribe. Deliciousness awaits. Today, we're serving up some of the tastiest, easiest to make recipes you'll ever try. From savory dinners to sweet treats, we've got everything to satisfy your cravings. But don't just take our word for it. Join the Culinary Recipe Creations community and see for yourself. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our drool-worthy dishes. Like this video if you're hungry for more and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. And of course, don't forget to share with your fellow foodies and hit the notification bell for your daily dose of deliciousness. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed our foodie recipe tutorial. Let us know what you think in the comments below. We hope to see you back here very soon. Take care and see you in the next video.